Alright, divas. So today we're gonna do another makeup video, and this look that I did today was a gorgeous eyeshadow. So the lips, on the other hand, wasn't so great, but we don't talk about that because my eyeshadow was on point. But as you can see here, putting on my primer, decided to try a new primer. This is the first time I'm actually trying it because I usually use the Smashbox. The photo finish is what I use by Smashbox. Using the same old foundation I use. Now I like to put the concealer on my eyelids so that way it makes the colors pop a lot more, because the eyelids of my natural color on my eyelids aren't the best. So when I try to put on the eyeshadow, it's not as pigmented as I would like. So I find that putting concealer on actually makes it so that you can actually have your colors pop. Now when I recorded this video, I didn't show all the shades that I used. But pretty much I was actually just experimenting and just used random shades. And I kind of made a look with 4 different colors, and just wait till the end, you'll love it. I literally just got this palette from the Nikki Tutorial Allure Beauty Box that I got in the mail. I literally just subscribed to the beauty box one time just to try out the Nikki Tutorial stuff that I saw when I was watching her channel, and I love this palette. I feel like I should say this again, but I am no pro at makeup, and this is literally just me experimenting and trying new things out. So please bear with me when I make mistakes or I do things that don't look how they're supposed to be. So I changed the color on this just so you can see the box at the right color. This is such a cute little thing. So if there's anything that I learned with makeup, it's that blending is probably the most important thing, and trying to blend contour is something that I still struggle with. Like, you really have to beat your face. So for this one, I decided to try something different. So I actually, when I was doing this, I kind of read that wrong and I thought it was blush. So I put it on as blush, but it actually worked out in the end, which you'll see. But after putting it on my cheeks, I realized this is not blush. So then I put it on, my cheekbones at the top there for my highlight. noticed the plastic lily fall out of there. I did not even notice that. Literally, I had to back up because like all the powder was getting all over my camera. It was literally a mess. But we're baking now, so literally it was like my entire table and camera was covered in baking powder. Mascara time. Now for this look, I didn't use eyeliner, nor did I use fake lashes because I suck at both, but that would be what you would do here. Now this is loose pigment glitter, and the way I put it on originally was I had a brush and I just kind of like lightly tapped it onto my eyelids and around it. But I found that the best way to do this was actually to get on the brush and then actually tap it onto your eyelid and drag a little bit, because this glitter actually kind of like smears on. So when you just lightly tap like I'm doing right here, they don't stick very well. So you'll notice later on that like some glitter falls off of my face, and you can actually see it now that some on my like nose and on my cheeks. But what you're supposed to do, you actually just get the brush, you dip it in there, and then you drag it ever so lightly onto your skin. And you notice me here because I realized that it was falling, so I just had to lightly press it in, that way they stayed. Now, I literally just bought this lip liner, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try and do my lips now. Never doing lips ever before. So just literally disregard everything from this point beyond, because my lips were a mess. And the colors that I picked for my lips didn't really go with the look, but I said, screw it, I'm gonna have fun and experiment. So that's what I did. It was so awful. But this is the finished look. I literally loved how the eyeshadow and the glitter turned out. Again, just completely disregard the lips because they're really so rough. I felt cute for once. But that concludes the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Literally, I had a blast doing this, and me experimenting actually ended up well for once. So if you have any questions or any concerns, please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe and like the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. And sorry that I haven't been posting in a while. It's been a rough couple of weeks, but I am back. And yeah, thanks for watching again, guys. And I appreciate you guys so much. So I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have a good day.